Hey guys, I'm coming to you live from the restroom. Would you be a little freaked out if you walked in and saw this? I don't know, maybe the me rapping thing's getting in my head, but I'm gonna make you laugh. I'm gonna make you cry. I'm gonna make you wish you want to die after you did this awesome workout. I know I've been talking too much, so I literally set this to 10 minutes, and we're starting now. So we're gonna start out, we're gonna do each exercise for a minute. So, how's everyone's day going? Sorry, I want to adjust this camera for you. I'm just trying to get you guys to be more active. If that means making a fool out of myself, then I have no problem doing it. I had one of my best friends today tell me that she was wondering, what if people don't shower, then how are they supposed to stick with the motto, sweat before you shower? And that's a great question. I don't always shower myself. I'm not too proud to say it. I use baby wipes. If I want to work out, I have to go do something right away, I just clean up a little bit. I smell fresh, you know what I mean? So fresh. Yeah. Oh, all right. Now we're going to go into a squat. We're going to do plie squats, why not? Get on your toes, keep the legs wide, and squat like you're a little ballerina. I've been working out like crazy lately. I'm definitely seeing some awesome changes in my body. I'm living in a tent, so my nutrition has literally been on point. I'm in survival mode, so I'm not putting junk in my body. I'm literally putting things in my body that I need. Only things that I need. So when in doubt, go to the grocery store. Pretend like you're shopping for a camping trip. It will change the whole experience, trust me. All right, now we're gonna do, why don't we do one of my favorite things. We're gonna do the oblique climb. All right, so we're gonna go up, yeah, and really bring that knee up. If you guys do just 10 minutes a day, I swear to you, you'll see a difference. 10 minutes a day, 10 times better than 0 minutes, as I always say. Whew. I haven't been sleeping that good in the tent lately. I don't really know why. Could it be all the critters, the ocean blowing over my tent? I don't know, but I'm not gonna trade it. I love it. A couple more, you're almost there. We might as well do something for the arms, hey? How about we do some chaturanga? All right, I want you to get into a downward dog. Good, good. And really stretch in the back heel. Damn, do I got a bun on me, especially in these pants. All right, now I'm looking out. And up, dog. And back and down, dog. Nice, guys. And hover. Down, dog. Back and up, dog. And down, dog. And hover. This one's seriously my favorite. If you want to get the triceps to look all sexy in your cute little sweaters you wear, then do this chaturanga. Hover. Ooh, yeah. And don't touch your tummy to the ground. Oh, perfect. Let's do a couple more of those. I'm sweating in my camp. The shower. Why do I think it's okay to dress however I want and act funny? Well, if you know me well enough, you'll know I've had enough black in me to be half, if you get what I'm saying. So I think this is totally fine. All right, now what we're gonna do is some squat jumps. Love these, love these. So I'm gonna get into a Low squat. I'll see from, I'm really sticking that butt out. Oh my God, it looks like I have ass pants and this is freaking awesome. I should wear these pants to the club when I want to date. All right, now we're going up and down, and down. Yeah, buddy. Jump a little higher, guys. This one, you're burning major calories. Right after this funky, fresh workout, make sure you get some kind of protein in your system. Get a half hour. Couple more. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Now, why don't we do some cross crunch? Yeah. Really, I barely want you moving the elbow. I want that knee coming up, but also with control. Keep moving it, guys. Today I got all cute to go find a job and did my hair, shaved my legs, plucked my eyebrows, all the things I don't normally do in general, and especially when you're camping, you don't really think of those things. You're too worried about surviving. So I got all cute, put on my outfit, and then I got so freaking tired because I went for like a 8-mile run on the beach that I had to take a nap. So at least I got ready, whatever. So now tomorrow I know tomorrow I'll actually get ready and go. So I'm gonna get up earlier than normal. All right, let's do some wall push-ups. Yeah. Okay, I really want to get this computer situated here. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Whatever, dude. Okay. So we're gonna be in a diagonal line, and I want you to do push-ups and then pop out the wall. Yeah. See, this is working the whole body, and I love it. Seriously, just so you know, for the winter, if you're up north, 90% of your body heat comes out of your head. So wear a hat, wear the stocking. If you can't afford a hat, I'll send you this stocking. That's why I'm getting so hot right now, because I'm wearing a hat, and it's Florida, and it's 80 degrees. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I am. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's get back into some, get a little bit of ab going on. Let's get into a plank, you guys. Planks are the best for your core. Seriously, try and plank every day. See how long you can go. Maybe the first time you'll only be able to go like 20 seconds, but then each day go 5 seconds longer. You'll thank me for it, I swear. Oh, look, let's go a little bit longer. You're doing awesome. Great job. Try not to get the butt up too much or sink it down. Try and keep that stable core like you're bored. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hello, that one. Okay. So now we're gonna bring our knees up as high as we can when we jump. Nice job. So this is a rapid fire workout. I didn't waste all your time talking, but you're gonna feel this one, I swear. Let's do a few more of these. Alright, let's get a little stretch out. Reach down. Yeah. Oh, touch front of your shins. Push on your shins, not on your knees. Yeah. Push on your quads, not the knees. Man, ghetto hat and ghetto ass. Not bad for a blonde, eh? Alright. You guys can always take longer to cool down. I always do a couple hundred squats after this, and then I plank for as long as I can. Reach down, yeah, switch. My timer should be going off any second to tell me that we are done. Go down. And done. Oh snap. That is my timer. I got you guys out in exactly 10 minutes, so I'm not full of BS. This workout was literally only 10 minutes. Work out with me again soon. I'm going to try and bring this workout to a porta potty within the next couple days. Hopefully I don't get arrested. Alright, I'll talk to you soon. Peace.